Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's a little bit different video. Today I'm going to share with you a little recipe that is amazing for your immune system. It's called lemon and ginger immune shots that I do every morning. So like you all know, we are all in the same situation at the moment with this coronavirus, and it's very important to boost your immune system. So I thought this immune system shot, that's how I call it, it's really good to have every morning on your empty stomach because it's full of antioxidants, it supports your immune system, and it's good for digestion too. It has a lot of benefits, it's full of vitamin C, and I think this helped us actually a lot to boost our immune system during this time. So all you need is one fresh ginger and one lemon with a little bit of warm water. First we wash lemon and ginger, then we cut it up in pieces. Okay, now that we have pieces of ginger and lemon, we put a little bit of warm water into the cup, all the pieces of ginger and lemon. And we blend it. Now that it's blended, I usually get a little plastic container and I keep it in there, and then every morning I prepare shots with this mixture. What I do with shots, I get a little shot glass, I put 2 teaspoons of this mixture in it, I put a little bit of honey and a little bit of cinnamon, mix it up and have a shot. Trust me, every morning on empty stomach and you'll be healthy. And that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you will try this at home with your family because I'm telling you, you're gonna save your life. And thank you for watching. Have a good day and I'll see you soon.